So today we will start with diphthong. So look at here. The tongue moves or glide from one initial positions towards a destinations in the course of the utterance of the vowel is called a diphthong. It means during the productions of this sound, the tongue starts from one positions and moves towards a different positions. So these are sounds during the articulations of which the tongue starts in the positions required for the articulations of a particular vowel, and you may say moves in the directions of the positions required for the articulations of the different vowel. So the glide, it should be remembered, should take place within one syllable. The starting point is usually referred to as the first element of the diphthong, and the point in the directions of which the glide made is often called the second element. So डिप्थोंग क्या है? डिप्थोंग का मीनिंग से एक इनिशियल पोजीशन से ग्लाइड एक डेस्टिनेशंस के पोजीशंस की तरफ जाएगा एक प्रोडक्शन साउंड्स करने के लिए. सो जो इनिशियल पोजीशंस जहाँ से ये ग्लाइड शुरू होगा उसे हम लोग फर्स्ट एलिमेंट कह सकते हैं, और जिस पोजीशन की तरफ जाएगा इसे उसे सेकेंड एलिमेंट कह सकते हैं. सो देयर आर 8 डिप्थोंग. सो these are 8 diphthong. So first one is ei, ai, oi, au, and au, ia, and ua. These are the 8 diphthong. Now look here, the 3 glides goes towards the centralized front are rounded vowel just above the half close line. So look here, the first vowel ei. Ei. So the vowel glide begins from the positions of a front rounded vowel between half close and half open towards the positions of a centralized front rounded vowel above half close. So look here. So ei. So e, the initial positions goes to the I. So E, the vowel glide begins from the positions of a front. So this is front around a vowel between half close and half open. So it is situated between half close and half open line. So this glide begins from here and goes towards the positions of a centralized. So it is centralized front and rounded vowel above half close line. So this is E I. Yeah. So O, this vowel sound is called O, and this is E. So the pronunciation is OE. So for example, pen, N, pen, N, pen, N, EI, N, play, EI, play. Got it? Now the second one, look here, the vowel glide begins from the positions of a front open rounded vowel towards the positions of a centralized front rounded vowel above half close. So the vowel glide begins from the positions of a front open rounded vowel. So front open rounded vowel towards the centralized front just above half close line. So this is the second one. So ये ओपन लाइन से शुरू होके सेंट्रलाइज्ड फ्रंट हाफ क्लोज के ऊपर लाइन की तरफ जा रहा है एक लाइट. So this one is I. Pronunciation is A, E. So this one is pronunciation E, or this one is A. So the glides pronunciation is I. So I, B, U, I, by, I, by, I, bite, I. Pronunciation. Concentrate on the pronunciation. Bite, I, bite. BUI, by, I. So got it? So this one the second, and the third one is 3 vowel glides goes towards the centralized E. So the look at the third one, the vowel glides begins from the positions of a back rounded vowel between open and half open towards the positions of a centralized front rounded vowel above half close. So Look here. So third one, O goes towards E. So it is between half open and half open and open line. Back vowel goes towards the centralized front rounded vowel. So O E. So pronunciation is O E. O E. So example, O E. Boy, boy, oi, oi. Concentrate on the pronunciation. Boy, oi. Boil, oil, oil, boil, oil, 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 oil. So pronunciations, got it? प्रोनाउंसिएशन के ऊपर ध्यान दीजिए, देखना ठीक ठाक हो जाएगा। ओ ई कहाँ पे किस किस वर्ड पे ये प्रोनाउंसिएशन आ रहा है, बॉई ओ ई आ रहा है बस। सो नाउ द टू ग्लाइड्स गोज टूवर्ड्स द सेंट्रलाइज्ड बैक भावल यू, यू की तरफ, ऊ की तरफ दो भावल जाएगा। देखो ग्लाइड नंबर 4, आउ, आउ। द भावल ग्लाइड बिगिंस फ्रॉम the positions of a front open a rounded vowel towards the positions of a centralized back rounded vowel above half close. So the vowel glide begins from the positions of a front. This is front. This one. The vowel glides begins from the positions of a front open a rounded vowel. This is the rounded vowel. Goes towards the centralized towards the you may say the centralized begins at the point of the front, behind the front open positions, and moves in the directions of the E of the E. So now the OU positions, during the articulations of this diphthong, the glide begins at the back. Glides begins at the back, positions from the back. You may say that it is not front, it will be back. It is back. It is back vowel. So the begins at the back, often around the positions, and moves toward the directions of U. So AU open मतलब back भावल ओपन अराउंड भावल से ग्लाइड शुरू होके ऊ के तरफ जा रहा है, बैक भावल है, ऊ राउंड भावल है, एबव हाफ क्लोज लाइन के ऊपर, सेंट्रलाइज्ड भी है ये, सेंट्रलाइज्ड। सो एग्जांपल देखो, काउ, COW, काउ, आउ, आउ। लाउड, LOUD, लाउड, आउड, 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 आउ, आउ आ रहा है। सो कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन द प्रोनाउंसिएशंस and you will catch it easily how it pronunciations. Now look at the fifth one, au. The vowel glide begins from the positions of a central rounded vowel below half open towards the positions of a centralized back rounded vowel above half close. So the vowel glide begins from the positions of a centralized rounded vowel. So it is the central vowel, rounded vowel below half close towards the centralized rounded vowel above half close. यहाँ पे जा रहा है शुरू होके यहाँ पे तरफ, तो इसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन है आओ। सो बोट आउट, बोट आउट, गाओ आओ, गो आओ, गो गो गो, got it, go। So ये pronunciation है इसका। Number, now look at the vowel that the glides goes towards the central vowel, towards the ये vowel की तरफ आ रहा है। 3 glides क्या क्या है? The first one is ia, e, look here, e, ia, ia. The vowel glide begins from the positions of a centralized front rounded vowel above half close towards the positions of a central rounded vowel below half open, below half open के नीचे है। तो vowel glide कहाँ शुरू हो रहा है? vowel glide centralized front rounded vowel above half close लाइन की आ रहा है। कहाँ पे आ रहा है? central vowel बिलो हाफ ओपन लाइन पे आ रहा है अनराउंडेड भावल। सो एग्जाम्पल क्या है, फियर, या, ई आ, फियर, सीरियस, सीरिया, या सीरियस, या आ रहा है एक या साउंड। सो दिस इज या साउंड। नाउ air. The vowel glide begins from the positions of a front or rounded vowel between half close and half open. Air, half open, towards the centralized rounded vowel below half open. So this one vowel between half open and half close line, front vowel rounded vowel goes towards the central rounded vowel below half open. So a care, example care, care. Okay, example. Now last one is vowel ua. The vowel glides begins from the positions of a centralized back around vowel above the half close towards the positions of a central around vowel below half open. यहाँ पे देखो, the vowel glides begins from the back, rounded vowel, centralized rounded vowel above half close towards the centralized rounded below half open line. Pronunciation u a, p double o r, ua. So these are the 8 diphthongs that you have to keep in your mind so that you can understand the pronunciations of that vowel, and you have to memorize, or you have to keep in your mind the diagram, the vowel area, the oral cavity, where the glides begins and where the glide goes, so that it will be clear to you. Thank you.